If you like Surrons and you like to party, you better be in Houston November 10th through the 13th. That's all fact. Welcome to Surron, Texas, where we will showcase one of the 8 rides for the Houston Megaride November 10th through the 13th. We have managed to secure a motocross track that has amazing private trail access and also many country roads that we can have awesome street rides on. So this will be one of the locations, one of the 8 locations in our fabulous ride. We hope you enjoy it, and here's a little preview of what you can expect.
Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you. Baby girl love my
we're out here at Decompression Acres right now, about to explore the property. Just go hit all the fence lines.
Oh yeah,
sure,
man.
You know.
What the fuck is this place, man? It looks like it's like we got moto jumps here. I mean, what the hell?
So everything from motocross training to amateur supercross track. They have a pond for the jet skis. The FMX freestyle jump is pretty legit. I've never hit that thing. Probably won't, unless they scoot it all the way up for me. I'll have to work my way out real slow.
Yeah. All right, man. Well, let's rip it up, man.
Cry me a river to stand in the tears. You better stand in the clear. I'm going crazy, niggas fugazi. How would they ever gon' fuck with a kid? Put it on, baby, you do not faze me. Boy, I do not give a fuck what you did. Eating that kitty, she stuck to my rib. How can I trust him? He fuck with the pigs. Bro got a Glock and a couple of C's. He think about splitting a couple of wigs. Shot in my DNA, all real, nigga. Sweatsuit, all heel figure. And I ain't even got a deal with you. If I ain't never split a bill with you, I got Hennessy and horchata. Baby girl wearing nada. Ass growing from a cider. Bathrobe in his Prada. Fiji water by the cold glass. Granddaddy by the Ziploc. Flex season, I'm road running. I'm staying all on my tip top. Young man with an old mind, so I ain't worried about slight shit. I be up till sunrise. I'm staying out on my night shift. I got a bottle of bourbon, a bundle of honeys. I'm jiggy, I'm flexing a bit. Figured I hit it and quit it. I'm busy, I ain't got the minutes for texting it, bitch. Came from the gutter with me and my brother. I'm moving my mother right out of the city. Bitch, I'm a star and they know I go hard, so I'm kissing them babies and signing them titties. Gold blingin' like Chingo, rock star like Ringo. Checks coming in back to back, I'ma line them up like bingo. Oh, I think that they like me, they be all on my wood tip. Not a stain on my white tee, I'm popping all of this good shit. Big flex, my swole up, double cup and I'm pulled up. Niggas hating like hold up, what's the problem? I'm pulled up. Big flex, my swole up, hard body they fold up. Shawty say I done glowed up, double text on my phone up. Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you. Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, shit ain't gon' feed you. I've been all on my grind, so why I need you.
Woo, dude, this place is badass. So dude, this is badass, man. Like, dude, tell us a little bit about what we rode, and like if we were to use this for the Megaride, kind of what would people be able to expect here?
So we have, like I was saying earlier, we have the amateur supercross track, which is basically everything's tabletops. So it's super forgiving for, you know, newer riders or people who just want to, you know, maybe aren't used to track riding, but maybe would like to, you know, do a little bit, or, you know, get their feet wet, if you will. But it used to be back in 2021, whenever the Supercross came to Houston, they had 3 rounds here. It was the opening round, so a lot of the pro riders, they needed places to go and tracks to kind of just daily ride at, and so they ended up having the front track. They had some factory guys come out. I'm sure some of the people may know Eli Tomac, Ken Roxon, you know, so they were out here. They have a few local guys that come out here and train for nationals and stuff like that. So nothing crazy, but you know, it's overall the owner Troy. He's a good guy. He loves to he really does it for the love. You know, like I haven't met a better guy in the motocross scene. You know, that just more willing to take you in and just, you know, like I say, just do anything you need. Or
yeah, I'm shocked. I didn't know places like this even existed on Earth.
Yeah,
so,
honestly, I didn't either. I got lucky. We stumbled across this place. My buddy needed a place to put his freestyle motocross ramp, and you know, we landed on this spot and met with the owner. He's been super cool. We've just kicked it off ever since. So yeah.
Nice, man. For sure. All right, man. We'll rip purple stuff around. Tell me what you think.
Sir,
here to light it up, lighten up. Hear him talking, they ain't right enough, tighten up. Everything that I came for, I left with. I don't bang sets, I just bang on the set list. Going past supper when I came for the breakfast. Put me in your prayers, I might put you on the guest list. Young niggas in me reckless, gold in my soul, got the same on my necklace, bitch.
Where are we at? Were you having a good time?
Yes. Ready to go.
Decompression Acres, are you decompressing out here?
Yes, I fucking am. This is phenomenal.
This is. I didn't know a place like this existed on the Earth.
It's nice and heavy.
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah, baby.
Have me slide this glove on.
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithm. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information is predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to some that push up lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on to bigger banquets. It's that full circle, new wave, energy on a Tuesday. Turn a blue day to a bright hue, yellow with a smooth A in hair. Extra fruite, the brand, you can't move me. Music is man, it's a con job, but fuck it, it's grand. Blessed with a great hand amongst many that stand. Compared to some hard work, my love play a huge role. They say that it don't, they feeding you fool's gold. I know one thing, even if it's a tough thing to swallow, even harder thing to hold, to know without a doubt while on the globe. Even though that seems inherent, it ain't always so apparent. Dangle carrot, you ain't always gonna get it. But don't worry, it's a pretty February in a year with more to carry and more days is yet to come. And the sun taking the ferry to the city, with the moments extra pretty, like the
Oh my gosh, yes, this is perfect. There's little places to rip around here on the street. You Yes, we have found our new Megaride spot for Friday, baby. A motocross track. Who else is having people out to a motocross track with street rides like this right outside? Shit. No one. That's who. We will throw the best freaking Surron party you have ever seen. Not 1 day, not 2 days, not 3 days, but 4 days. Solid party in these bikes.
Oh, so good. Take it off for what it is.
Wheeling, look at him. Look at him.
Oh, so good.
I think the snozberry's gonna taste like snozberries. It'd be pretty weird if they tasted any other way. Today's just another day amongst many. Wouldn't wanna spend it any other way. Sup with friendly people bumping Benzie box with a cup full of Henny, selling smiles by the lot. There's some wholesale, that's the only thing I got. Well, except for drug addled down, always drowning in the pot. But let's skip the minor details and through the plot. It's a potluck party popping off kind of song. This is shit you go and tell your moms to play at junior prom. It's a rolling backpack anthem. Like damn, awkward was hard. This is my real ones. Kid Cats, whole bar. This is my best friends who are falling in love. Hope your heart's ready for the best yet to come. This is from my couch surfing kings. Yo, baby, what's up? I wrote you a song. You better throw this thing on. Take it off for what it is.
So good. Take it off for what it is. It ain't all so big.
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Surron, Texas. See you November 10th through the 13th in Houston for the Megaride.